Hi, boys and girls. Happy Tuesday. Hope you're having a good week so far. I was in our school yesterday on Monday. I saw some of your moms and dads bringing back your foundation supplies and getting all of your supplies that you left in your cubbies. Hopefully you got everything. Just because of foundation supplies, you don't have the magnet boards and the whiteboards doesn't mean that you should stop practicing your letters and your letter sounds and making sure your writing is really neat. And we're going to keep doing that for the last couple days of school. I can't believe it. It's already a new month and we only have 6 days left of school. So let's get started with our morning meeting and our brand new calendar. Take a look. It looks so empty. Mrs. Gaffney's having a problem with my printer right now, so I don't have a June calendar printed out, but hopefully you do, or hopefully you drew one on a piece of paper, or your mom did, or in your journal. So let's talk about our new month. Yesterday started the new month. Now, before this, it was May. So which means our new month is June. Very good. Now, yesterday was Monday, and yesterday started the month, so it was June 1st. So I hope your calendar looks like ours up on the board. On Sunday, you should have put an X through it because Sunday was still May. So the very first box for Sunday on your calendar, make sure you crossed it out. And yesterday you should have done your calendar for Monday and put in a 1 for Monday, June 1st. Good, so you should be all caught up. Which brings us to today. So if yesterday was Monday, what day is today? Tuesday. Again, it's our new month of June. And if yesterday was the first day of June, today is June 2nd. Very good. And the 2nd looks like a 2. So find Tuesday on your calendar. Right next to the 1st, write in a number 2 for the 2nd. And make sure, it's almost the end of kindergarten, your 2 is facing the right way. Do you remember? Half the heart, straight line 2, that's the way you make a 2. Remember that all the way from back in like September? Awesome, good. Now I hope yesterday too, you took a look at the Jack Hartman video all about the month of June. He makes really good videos for us to tell us the special things that will happen in June. Like June, I believe it is June 19th or 20th this year. I don't remember the exact day, I'll have to double check. But in June, we celebrate Father's Day. In June, it will become a new season of summer. And on June 14th, we celebrate something called Flag Day. So there's a lot of exciting things in June. June is Tuesday, June 2nd today. Let's try that one more time. Ready? Today is, here we go. Today is Tuesday, June 2nd. Very good. One more time. I want to hear you say it. Today is... Awesome. Happy June. Good, good. Okay, so let's do our days of the week. When we do it together, we usually go from Sunday down to Saturday. Let's mix it up and challenge ourselves. And let's go backwards. Here we go. Saturday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, Sunday. Awesome. Okay, I've said it a couple times. Today is Tuesday. Very good. And if today is Tuesday, what was yesterday, the first day of our school week? Yesterday was Monday. And now already, if today is Tuesday, what will tomorrow be? What comes after Tuesday? Wednesday. Very good. Today is Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday. Tomorrow already will be Wednesday. Good job. Okay, flip on over on your June calendar and you should have a beautiful new June weather graph. Yesterday, Monday, was a beautiful sunny day. It was a little chilly, a little cool, especially in the morning, but it was a sunny day. So let's take a look. Peek outside your windows, peek outside your doors, and see what do you see for the weather. Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Color it in your weather graph and keep going on your graph. Awesome. And while you're doing that, I mentioned before that in the month of June, it's going to become our next season. We're almost done with the season that we're in right now. What season are we in right now? Very good. It is spring. We finished winter. Now we're in spring, and then in June, later on in June, it's going to become the next season, and the next season is summer. Very good. Okay, everything's looking good. Let's get to our calendar notebooks. I hope they're holding up We've been using them for so many days now. Flip on over to your second page. Make sure you're all caught up from yesterday. And let's take a look. How many days were we in school yesterday? 173. Very good. We're back again today. So how many days are we learning in kindergarten today? 174. After 173 comes 174. 1, 7, and a 4. Awesome. Find it on your calendar notebook and trace in 174. 1, 7, 4. Looking great. Okay, now for a big number like 174, how are we managing our straws? And this is for place value, right? So 100 is one bundle of 100 straws. And we have 7 bundles of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 tens. 7 bundles of 10 for 174. Now let's check out. For 174, I have 1, 2, 3. I only have 3 ones. So what am I going to do? You're right, every day of kindergarten, we've been adding 1 more. And now we have 4 ones. 174 straws all together. Good job, boys and girls. Awesome. Okay, keep moving along to our 10 frames. Oh, we're almost to the end of our 10 frames. So sad. Okay, 10 frames help us count by tens. We know this. We should be able to do this with our eyes closed if we had to. Here we go. But don't close your eyes. Follow along on your 10 frames. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 171, 172, 173. So that was yesterday. All of these 10 frames should be colored in, and our last 10 frame should have 3 ones colored in. 173. And I know you're all going to tell me I have to color in 1 more today to get to 174, because if I've got 3 and I color in 1 more, I will have 4 in that 10 frame box for 174. Awesome. Everybody colored in? Good. It should be a nice, easy way to count, and I already mentioned it at the beginning of the video. How many days do we have left of kindergarten? Count your empty boxes. 6. Only 6 days left of kindergarten. Oh my goodness. Okay, flip on over to our odd and even sneakers. Those 2, we don't have a lot of sneakers left. Remember when we didn't even know what odd and even meant all the way back in September? Mrs. Gaffney, I had to take my shoes off to show you between odd and even pairs, and we used our fingers to make partners for odd and even numbers. You've gotten so smart since then. Awesome. So 174 days of school. So easy peasy lemon squeezy. 174, is it odd or is it even? It's even, you're right, because we look at the ones place. And in the ones place is a number 4. And all of our fingers, if we use our fingers, have pairs. So that means 4 is an even number. Good. So color in 1 more of your sneakers. And now all of your sneakers should have pairs for 174 being an even number. Good. And I can't remember from Friday. I think it might have been Arian or Pranavi, but somebody helped answer my question about odd and even numbers help us count by 2s. Very good. So you should be able to count by 2s and check out to see if we have sneakers left for the rest of the year. 2, 4, 6. Perfect. 6 days of school left, 6 sneakers left. Good, good, good. Okay. Last page is our tally mark page. Okay, tally marks help us count by 5s. I'll give everybody a second to catch up with me. Make sure that we're all caught up from yesterday. And we've got a lot of counting to do all the way up to 174 maybe? Let's see what we have. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, 120, 125, 130, 135, 140, 145, 150, 155, 160, 165, 170, 171, 172, 173. All of these boxes should have your doors shut. And right here we've got 3 tally marks for 173. But we need to get to 174. So you're right, put 1 more. Good job, squeeze 1 more in that tally mark box. And now you should have 4 in that tally mark box. 174 all together. Looking beautiful. We just have tomorrow. I think we're going to shut the door. And then 1 more box left. Good job. Everything's looking good. Flip on over to your first page. And let's think of a number of the day. I've got one. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to give you some hints. So maybe you might want to think about it, write what I'm saying down on a piece of paper. The number of the day in the tens place. So let's talk about place. In the tens place, there's a 4. We have 4 tens. And in the ones place, we have 9 ones. So write down the number you think I'm thinking about. And let me tell you again. In the tens place, think about where the tens place would be. We have a 4. 4 tens. And in the ones place, we've got 9 ones. What number am I talking about? Anybody get it? Today's number of the day is 49. Good, that was a challenge. That was tricky because look, here is the tens place. And I've got 4 tens. And here is the ones place because remember, the ones place is always at the end. It's the last number. So the ones had 9 and the tens had 4. 49. That was tricky. I wonder if any of you got it. I'm really proud of you. So 49, use your number mysteries paper or make the boxes in your journal and figure out what is 1 more than 49, what's 1 less than 49, what's 10 more than 49, and what's 10 less than 49 for the number of the day. Okay, looking good. Last thing is sight words. You guys rocked your May sight words. You have done so well with all of your sight words that I didn't want to give up yet. I thought for sure you could handle some more sight words. So I gave you some challenge ones. I gave you some bonus sight words. For the rest of our school year, just a couple days, you're going to be learning 2 bonus sight words a day. So yesterday, you learned this sight word because I thought it was a good sight word for you to know. We use it in a lot of sentences and we see it a lot of time in books. So I just gave you the reason and I said the sight word in my sentence. Yesterday's sight word was because. Very good. It's a long one. B-E-C-A-U-S-E. Because. That's a challenge. Now, another word that you guys like to use a lot when you're writing is the other sight word that we did. And that sight word from yesterday was friend. I think friend is a really important word to know how to read it because we see it in books all the time. Spell it with me. F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. Very good. We have got 2 new sight words today. Our other sight word for today, I'm going to write it there on my board. You hear what I said? Good. Our next sight word is there. T-H-E-R-E, there. And now let's guess our last sight word. You're right, it is now. And now is N-O-W, now. Because friend, there, and now. Just some fun extra bonus sight words to help you keep learning, help you make it easier to read those words in the books, and just keep getting your brains bigger and bigger. So I think that's it for Tuesday. Please make sure to get all your work done and work nice for mommy and daddy. We're not going to have a lot of work as these days go on, but we're going to do some special things. We're going to make a memory book. I want to know about all your memories from kindergarten, your favorite things. We're going to finish up the planets. We did Jupiter on Monday. Today, we're meeting a planet, or we're learning about a planet that has rings around it. The ringed planet is called Saturn. So I hope you enjoy that. And we'll have a lot of fun things coming up for the last 6 days of school. Have a great day. If you need anything, have mom or dad send me a message. I miss you.